Today we will do question number 10 from NCERT class 11th Cbse book from exercise 10.2. It says find the equation of a line passing through -3, 5 and perpendicular to the lines joining these two. Okay, so they're saying that there is a line which is passing through these two points, which is 2, 5 and -3, 6. We have to find the equation of a line which passes through this point and perpendicular to this line. So this was original line AB, and we are interested to find the equation of CD which is passing through some point, say -3, 5. The information that they have given is it is perpendicular to line AB. Okay. So that means indirectly they have provided us the slope of line CD. I will show you how. Can we find out slope of AB by using formula y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1? Correct? Suppose this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So we know this is the slope formula. So we are able to solve the slope for line AB. So what is y2? 6 minus 5, x2 minus x1, x2 is -3 and this is -2. So this will be 1 by -5. Okay, so now they are asking this line. So we have one information, if you remember, if two lines are perpendicular, slope of one line is m1 and other line is m2. So what is the condition? Write down for perpendicular lines, condition says that m1 into m2 should be -1. So here we know that m1 is this, which we just find out, into m2, which we need, is -1. So this minus will become plus. So if I solve it, 5 will go there, so m2 will become 5. Okay, so that means the slope of line CD is this and one point is given. Understood? So what is given is one point is given, which is -3, 5. So two information are given. So what all type of equations we have? If you remember, type of equations we have are y is equal to mx plus c. In this equation we should know intercept and we should know the slope. So intercept is not given, so this is not useful. One equation we know is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This equation seems to be fitting here because slope is provided and the point x1 y1 is provided. This formula is used when the slope is there and point is there. So this seems to be fitting here. Okay, so let me use it here. So I will use y minus y1. So this is the point given, so I will call it x1 and y1. Okay, so I will call it y minus y1, y1 is 5, is equal to m, which is 5, into x minus x1. x1 is minus of -3. So I will write this minus will become plus. The equation will be y minus 5 is equal to 5x. This 5 is multiplied with both. 5 into 3 is 15. Okay. So can I take, now this is my equation. Can I take y here and 5 here, both of them on one side? Okay. So I can write down, guys, 5x plus 15 minus 5, sorry, minus y, this is minus y, plus 5 is equal to 0. This is what I got. And this is nothing but, I hope you understood, what I am doing is I am taking y this side and 5 this side, and 5x and 15 I am copying. Okay. So now if I simplify, so this is 5x minus y, 15 plus 5 is what? 20 is equal to 0. This is my final equation. Understood? So always try to make a rough sketch of the diagram to get the clear view what all data is given and what we have to find out. Let's see question number 11 from 10.2. So it says a line perpendicular to the line segment joining this point and this point divides in this ratio. Find the equation of line. Guys, see carefully, this seems to be pretty important question. So instead of giving ratio 1:n, you might be getting some value of the ratios. Okay, let's try to solve it. They are saying there is one line which passes through 1, 0 and 2, 3. Okay, and this line which we are interested in is perpendicular to this line segment and dividing in this ratio. Means the line that we are interested is suppose PQ and the points are given AB. So this line is perpendicular to AB. They are saying a line is perpendicular to line segment joining these two. So this is perpendicular and it is dividing in ratio 1:n. Okay. So if you remember, the formula for this point x comma y used to be what? X used to be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Correct? The point at which this is divided into ratio. So this is nothing but m1 and this is nothing but m2, this ratio, right? This formula was given in class 10. Okay, and y is given as m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So I will use, at least I should have some information about this line, right? So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find this point which is present on PQ. So at least I have one point. And second information I require is the slope. So slope also I will try later. First I'm trying to find the point present on this line. So let me put the values, guys. This is m1 x2. See, this is my x1. This is y1. This is x2. This is y2. Please don't do it by mistake by x1, x2, y1, y2 in a hurry. Don't do that. We always take x1, y1, x2, y2. Now I will put m1, x2. So what is my m1 is 1. x2 is 2 plus m2, x1. What is m2 here is n. And x2 is how much? Here 1 by m1 plus m2, which is 1 plus n. So what I will get is 2 plus n by 1 plus n. So this is the point I got x. Now let me try. So here we will calculate y. So y is m1 y2. So the m1 is how much? 1 into y2 is 3 plus m2, which is n, y1, which is 0 by m1 plus m2, which is 1 plus n, m1 plus m2. So it came out to be, guys, how much? 3 by 1 plus n. So I got my point xy. Okay. So if you want, we can write down here 2 plus n by 1 plus n, 3 by 1 plus n. Now we need the slope of this line. So we got the point. Now we will try to find the slope because we are interested in this line. We should know the slope. What is the clue? Can we find out the slope of AB? Yeah. So let me try slope of AB. So slope of AB is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Correct. So y2 minus y1 is 3 minus and y1 is 0. x2 minus x1. So x2 is 2 minus 1 is 3 by 1. So this is my slope of AB. Okay, suppose this slope is m1. This is slope is m1. Don't get confused with the this m1 and m2 because these are the ratios, or let me call it MAB. Okay, so MAB into MPQ should be minus 1. By which law? By the law that the slope product of two perpendicular lines should be minus 1. So MAB is 3. So what will be MPQ? Minus 1. Okay, so what will be this? guys. So this will be MPQ is equal to minus 1 by 3. So I got slope of this line. Okay, I have point and I have slope. So which formula I will apply? We know the formula is y minus y1 m into x minus x1. So we will go ahead and apply this form. This is called point slope form. This is called point slope form. So let me just fit the values, guys. Okay. So let me write down the equation again. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So what were the points? Let me write down. X comma y was n plus 1 and n plus 2 by n plus 1, and it was 3 by 1 plus n. And what was m? M was minus 1 by 3. So let me put it here in this equation. So it will be y minus y1, which is this 3 by 1 plus n, is equal to minus 1 by 3 x minus x1. So this is x1. Correct. These are the points which we are using to find the equation. So x minus x1 is this, n plus 2, n plus 1. So this is my answer. If you want, we can simplify it little bit. So let me take this LCM, 1 plus n. So it will be 1 plus n into y minus 3. See, this is multiplied here and this is copied, is equal to minus 1 by 3. LCM is again n plus 1 we will take. So this into this minus this, right? Remember, if you have a minus b by c, it always becomes c down, and this into this, ac minus b. Remember, we can use it. So I am using it here, n plus 1 x minus of n plus 2. Now see guys, both side is n plus 1. So can I cancel it? Yeah. Okay. After this, I am keeping minus 1 here and I am taking 3 this side. So it will be 3 into 1 plus ny minus 3 is minus 1 into n plus 1x minus n plus 2. This minus you keep outside. Okay. Now let me simplify a little bit. Let's multiply with 3. So it will be 3, 1 plus ny minus 3, 3s are 9 because 3 is multiplied with this and this, is equal to this minus will be n plus 1x, and because of this minus, this will become plus. Correct? Because this minus will go inside, plus n plus 2. Okay. So now we can keep everything one side. So let's bring this on this side. Right. So when I am bringing, I am trying to keep x term first, then y term, and then the remaining terms. Okay. So let me do that. I am bringing this here and this here and 2 here, everything this side. So it is n plus 1x. Why this became plus? Because this was minus, it became plus. Then this 3, 1 plus ny. Then I have minus 9, which was already there, minus n minus 2 is equal to 0. This I got here. So you can leave it here or you can simplify it a little bit further. So let me try guys. So I can write down n plus 1x plus 3, 1 plus ny. This is what? Minus 9 and minus 2 is minus 11 minus n is equal to 0. This is my final equation. So bye everybody. See you with next questions.